The world today is a coming together of different cultures and industries in new business ventures which prove to be irresistible. A land of opportunities, India is expanding her horizons in creating future synergies between the cultures. And one such opening is the state of Karnataka. REI is ideally located in Mysore, also known as the City of Palaces. It is just 150 kilometers from Bangalore, the Silicon Valley of India. Started way back in 1987 by its founder and managing director Mr. Ramaswamy, a proprietary organization with a single client, has grown into a private limited company with global reach. REI provides electronic manufacturing solutions to its clients, starting from design to final product integration. A bird's eye view of the manufacturing process. The components are stored, inspected, binned, formed and issued to the respective departments under anti-static conditions. The baked boards are screen printed and surface mount components placed in a pick and place machine. The machine can place 24,000 components per hour, has 12 mil capabilities, can handle 1005 packages, BGAs and flip chips. The boards are then reflowed. REI has a dedicated line for glue printing. As the globe is going towards green environment, REI has equipped itself to handle green processes like lead-free process. Each and every board undergoes scrutiny by our automated optical inspection machine. Boards having traditional through-hole components are mounted by our skilled workforce. Boards are then wave soldered using leaded or lead-free process as per requirements. Sensitive components that cannot pass through the wave are soldered manually by our skilled workforce. Every board passes through solder QC, component QC and final QC. The mission of our quality policy is to integrate the expectations of our customers. Systems like 5S, Kaizen, SQC are followed to ensure highest quality standards. Boards undergo functional testing as per requirements. The product integration, product testing are carried out according to the requirements. Team with quality in mind, our 1,000 skilled, dedicated and empowered workforce ensures quality product is delivered on time every time. Coming together is beginning. Staying together is progress. Working together is success.